Hello, this is Dr. Crompton and I'm going to lead you through Module 2. So as you can see, we're on the Blackboard page for Module 2. Here are the objectives, just have a quick look over those, but the main one is to recognise that websites can be built using web-based programs and recognise how to use a drag and drop feature. Now first of all, you might think we're creating a web page. Yes, you are. And it's very, very simple. You'll be able to see this and it's going to be free. We don't expect you to pay for any of these things. And we're going to use it now, but we're going to come back to it later on in the class. But the reason why you're going to use, you're going to create a web page is the fact that you're going to create a technology portfolio. To meet the requirements for the TSIPs, this portfolio will provide evidence of what you've been doing in technology. And so if you go to another school district in Virginia, you'll be able to show them your portfolio. So the first thing you'll do is you'll go to readings. And there's not a great amount of readings here, but this is just having a look. There's a couple of articles about creating valuable class websites and accessible websites, and then there's there's other free programs that you could use. We're going to actually use Weebly for this, but here's a little bit more information about that. You might want to save this and come back to it later on in your teaching, so do keep some of these resources. Then you're going to have to explore how to create your Weebly page. There's no point in going through this because Weebly does a great job at explaining how to do it step by step. And I'm saying step by step, maybe you want to create one part before another and you can just follow the instruction page to be able to do that. But I've got some examples there. I've got class website examples, educational resources sites and student created sites. So if you think about it, we're going to be creating a web page for this. Well, you're going to be creating a web page. Or web pages, a website as a whole entire thing. Now this website can do many things. Yours is going to be used as a technology portfolio, but think beyond this class. Think about how you can create a class website for your own class, and a lot of people use Weebly. These other things as well, but Weebly is quite nice to play with. So you could create that. You could have the students created them, like on here. You might have it as a resources site for your parents, so think about different ways that you can be using them. So don't just think technology portfolio, think beyond this class as you're actually creating things and learning how to use it. So there's the readings. I'm going to go back to assignments. And this is where it tells you all about what you've got to do. When you see a lot of text there, don't worry. Literally, I put everything down there that you might want to know. So just follow it in order and it'll make sense. You've got your steps there and you've got little bullets in between of what you've got to include. So you're going to basically create a free account and then you're going to create these pages. And the reason why I've given these titles of these pages is it matches the assignments that you're going to do. These are overarching titles like technology integration, that some of your assignments will fit in with that, or technology for supporting the teacher. Again, you'll have assignments that fit in with that. And so what you're going to do is you can kind of create your shell for your technology portfolio in this class. Then in the final week of this course, you're actually going to come back and all the assignments that you've done during this class, you're going to put into that website. So just be thinking about this as you're organising what you're doing, and you're actually even welcome to keep creating your technology portfolio as you go through this class. You are more than welcome to do that. So really in week 13, your final week, when you're probably busy with other classes, you could already have that work done. So this will give you time to have a play with Weebly, have a play with the templates, what you like. This is your portfolio. but do be aware that I'm going to be grading it as if I'm a potential employer for your future looking at this, and it should be appropriate for that audience. So have fun with Weebly. I'm going to click back to module 2 and go to evaluation, and I have to remind you about the rubric. Please, please, please look at the rubric before you begin. It matches exactly what you've been told to do in the instruction section. But keep looking at the rubric, and when you've finished everything, look at the rubric again, because there'll be things that you must include, and you'll be able to check and even grade yourself. So have a look at that and have fun with Weebly.